welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about BuzzStream. Video, I'm going to teach you how to use search operators to find out the data. So we just go in the research list, then we click on added web search. Here we put some related queries like I want some site for fashion site. So I just type fashion and also like blog post. Then we use anytime, past week, any blog, and we have option to choose which country we want blog post. Like I just want US a website, so just click it. And also we have option select the language, which type of language we uh, having a client. So I just saved. Here we have 100 domains. So I just confirm it, and this process takes some time. So after finishing the perspective, so we just close it. So here we find some site. Like we have 138 site. BuzzStream also recommend some IDs like customer service. We just select it, and if we want to personally visit their site, we just select whole site and get a research on the web. Here we option got it to buzz market. So after your researching, you just select some site which you want, in which you are like it, and go in the outreach option, and in the bulk schedule or individual schedule, I just choose the option of individual. Then we need to select some templates if we are have. So I have some templates. So then we put email ID, and also we just put the uh, blog post ID, email ID. Then we schedule email also. Thank you so much for watching this video.